Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a right angle triangle. Consider this triangle is ABC, where this angle B is 90 degree and there is a rectangle inside it. Consider this is B, D, E and F. The length of AD is 8 unit and length of FC is 9 unit. We have to find the area of rectangle BFED. At first, consider the length of this rectangle is x unit, so this DE consider as x, and the width of this rectangle is y, so this EF consider as y. Now in triangle ADE and in triangle EFC, this DE is parallel to FC and intersect by this AC line. So this angle is equal to this angle. That means AED is equal to ECF, and the angle D is 90 degree and here the angle F is also 90 degree. So rest of this two angle, this A is equal to this E. So this two triangle is similar triangle. So angle similarity, we can write AD from this triangle over this DE. DE is equal to from this triangle this EF over this FC. Now substitute all of this value. AD, this is 8 unit, over DE, we have considered this as x, so x is equal to EF, this EF considered as y, over this FC, we have given FC is 9. Now applying cross multiplication, we can write this x times y, this is xy, is equal to this 8 times 9. 8 times 9. So the value of xy is equal to 8 times 9 is 72. Now consider the area of this rectangle is delta. So this area is equal to the area of a rectangle is length times width. Length of this rectangle is x, so x, and width of this rectangle is y, so its area is xy, and we have found the value of xy is 72, and substitute this xy, we can write 72. So we have found the area of this rectangle is 72 square units, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.